Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can configure the rotary encoder in Siemens PLC S7-200. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my Step 7 Microwin software. And here, first we will configure the encoder. But before configuration, I will show you some uh, encoder which I am using with the S7-200 PLC. That's my hardware is connected with my PLC. So I will open my camera, and here also we will open my camera. I will run web camera. So this I will make it little small here, and that's PLC. I will show you which PLC is connected with my PC. So Siemens, that's light is little dim. Wait for, I will make the light little. So this is the encoder which I am using for this model. Yeah, 0, as you can see, this is the 0 volt, and black wire yani 0, and white color wire is the VCC, and this is the red wire is A signal, and pink wire is A minus, and blue is AB, and blue wire is a B minus signal. So this is I am connected with my PLC, and this wiring I can show you. Try to, this is the white and this is the black, and one black common I will make with this one PLC, which is common of the PLC, and this is blue and pink wire is connected to the I0.0 and I0.1. So let's now we will configure this one inside the PLC, and this camera I will make it down. First step is what we do, we go to the wizards. Here in wizards we will check this one, high speed counter. Double click on it, this high speed counter, and here you have to make configuration. What is a, which counter would you like to configure? Here is a H0 to H5 counters. 5 counters are available, 6 counters, and which mode he says you like to be choose. Mode description, he says single phase in the mode 0. If you select single phase up down counter with incremental, sorry, with the internal direction control, no start input, no reset input, and one number. If you choose mode 1, this is single phase up down counter with internal direction control, no start input, uses a reset input. And same as this is 3 number, and same as this is the 4 number, single phase up down counter with external direction control, no start input, uses reset input. So we will choose this one, mode 4, and click next. And after this interface will be open, and this no need to be change anything, only just click next. And here also no like to be any changes make, and click next and make it the finish. And after complete the wizard configuration, click on yes, and now your high speed counter is configured in the PLC. And second step, we will check the communication of our PLC. This is okay or not okay. Our cable is connected with our PLC, and this is now reading the cable. So this CPU is connected, CPU 2 to 4 is connected, and this is okay, and we will click it okay. And here next, what we will do to read this value, read the value of this encoder, we will just take one here, select just one. We will take the input address SM0.1 we will choose, and next we will take the call subroutine function here, which we will configure with the encoder, this HSC INT subroutine 1. Double click on it, and this will be placed automatically. And in next we will choose SM0.0 and click enter. And next we will take from the functions move command. Here this move DW double word data register we will choose, and here we write only just HC high speed encoder, and sorry, HSC HSC, sorry, not HSC, HC. Why this you can check in here, SBR0. Here you can see this one, which is the configuration. To enable this configuration within the program, use SM0.1 or an edge triggered instruction to call substring once to the main program block. So HC0 we have to be right mode 4. This is our configuration, and go back to main, and here we will write, sorry, HC0. HC0 is configured with our PLC, and take it any data register, for example VD10 we will choose for this reading value to store in our PLC. And this small program I will download to the PLC. It's automatically compiled, and click on download. First have to be stop the PLC mode, because of in Siemens S7-200 PLC this programming downloading procedure is first must be stopped by stop the PLC, and after download the program, and after you can make it start. So now our program is successfully downloaded to the PLC, and click on the status monitoring. And when you make click on status monitoring, and now as per seen, our SM0.0 is now on. Now it's ready for reading. As we give the increment to our encoder, so I will show you also my camera webcam, and this is my encoder. We will make it little on the side, and just I will near this encoder. And as we move this knob of the encoder, you can see our value is now increasing 30, 32, 40, 50, 60. And as we increase this value, after you can see now values are showing on our move command at DW data register. And if I put in reverse condition, you can see this value goes to 0, and now it goes to minus. See, okay, 5, 6, 600, 700, 800, and 900, 1000. And if you put in reverse condition, you can see this value is now going back. So this is the method how we can use this encoder, and how we configure, you can see. Inshallah will be next video. I will tell you how we can use this value with the length or something, if like to be measure or like to be count with anything. So inshallah will be next video, I will show you. Hope guys you will be understand about this program, how we can configure the encoder. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.